Левой же мотор чемпионата союза, лучший адрес. Раиса Вячеславовна. Противник.
Having your car running into the sea may not be the accident only appear in the movie. It could really happen in your life as well. So before these accidents happen, let's have a better plan. In order to escape and survive, here are 4 options. A. Crawl out from the window immediately. B. Shut the windows immediately. C. Push the door as hard as you can to open it and escape. D. Just wait. So right now I would like you to put a thought to it. You can take as much time as you like to think about which one is the best approach for surviving and escaping. I have set up the 4 options in the comment section below already. You just have to go there and thumbs up to the answers that you think that are correct. Go and do it now before you watch the explanation video.